Hello everyone. So I just came across this platform called Imagica AI, and it's so user friendly because it enables you to create your own AI agent to kind of create advice for patients that would like to know more about the condition in a holistic manner. So as you can see, I've written MetaPharmacy DAO in reference to the IPA-SF MetaPharmacy Hackathon Season 2. Get personalized drug treatment, which is our forte as pharmacist, and lifestyle recommendation in terms of social prescribing, which is my passion, and MetaPharmacy AI Agent. So let's try, for example, a common one, diabetes. Yeah. So as you can see, still circling, that means still thinking. So from what I have, the treatment pathway for diabetes include lifestyle change, eating healthy diet, exercise, medication, with some example, and also bariatric surgery for those with a BMI of a certain amount. Drug recommendation, metformin, sulfonylurea, insulin. And this is basically non-physical activity such as healthy recipe, relaxation technique. And then this is exercise. So for example, walking, swimming, biking. And this is for diet. So for example, nutrition, meal plan, whole grain, fruit, vegetable, glycemic index, of course. And basically, there's just a quick breakdown on how each medication is taken. Then, of course, it'll be highly dependent, as you may know, depending on the patient age, swallowing technique, if they have swallowing difficulty, renal function. But basically, it did that in less than, what, 10 seconds. Let's try again with a different condition. Let's try asthma. As you can see, those are the treatment pathway recommendation. Then it talks about different way to improve your treatment, which is of course your blue inhaler, the brown inhaler, more complex treatment, and of course to kind of, for those with panic attack, breathing difficulty, the meditation, breathing exercise recommendation like jogging, and of course your diet, right? And also how to use your inhalers. As you can see, let's draw some more. How about if we discard diabetes, asthma? Oh, hypertension, quite a common long-term condition, right? So there you go. It talks about ACE, ARBs, beta blocker, recommended treatment. For example, some regular exercise again, recommendation, how the drug is taken. So basically, I did this in less than 30 minutes, right? So you can go back home. So I did it incognito because if I'm logged in, it can go back to the main page. But that's how the platform look like, right? So let me close this. So in a nutshell, you start off with this, and you can say create a, like for example, that's a prompt. Wait. No. Okay. Non plus. Maybe that. Okay, yeah. So in a nutshell, as you can see here, I've got a tool that says generate a list of treatment based on the medical condition, which is stated here, of course, which is an example. And from there on, I say, can you please recommend medication, which is what we have here. So normally, the live demo should have included video recommendation. We didn't, but I remember it only got launched recently. and then of course a description of how to take it. So that's basically the medicinal part. And then here is basically in terms of diet, right? Recommendation, and of course videos. Oops. And then we have here exercise, right? And then videos again. And this is basically non-physical activity, and like in the line of social prescribing, which talks about mindfulness and so on. So yeah, so basically you can create your own AI agent using Imagica AI.